Good day, good day, good day, good day, people. Good day, fabulous people. Good day, YouTubers. Yes, this is Mr. D. Mr. D do everything. It's a wonderful Sunday. Yes, yes, I hope you're well. You have a nice morning, have a nice breakfast this morning. Yes, yes, there's a merciful day, the seventh day of the week. Yes, 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 yes. That was a very privilege and honor this morning to go to the house of the Lord. Yes, I could get to make a video about it. That is my baby Bianca. Yes, yes, yes. And then I go around here. You see, this is the other children here. Sitting watching television here around. Yes, yes, they're watching Cocomelon. She likes Cocomelon. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, guys, the weather's not well outside. It looks very otherwise this morning. And I hope you are good. You are well this morning. See how does the weather? It's very dark, cloudy around here in Swellendam. You see, some of the clouds are darker than before. And this weather was this morning. This weather was really nice. Yes, yes, it was really nice this morning. And the other thing is that the sun was shining this morning, and in a few minutes, this weather are changing. Yes, 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 changing. I was just on my way to my avocado pier, avocado tree, and just take a look how does it look. You see this beautiful malvas. Yes, 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 yes. I was captured few days ago. I was captured it. Yes, yes, yes. And this is my garden. I like flowers. I like trees. I hope you love trees. You love flowers. It's a beautiful symbol. And that is my rose. You see this nice rose. Roses are coming out. It's green. Huh? See what's growing very well. Yes, yes, yes. And that's my Spanish. You see my Spanish garden that grows very well. The leaves are very, very green and green. Yes, those crop you can put it on your. You can make a nice toast with it. Yes, yes, yes. Bianca, come Bianca. Yes, yes, and then it's one of my trees. Long time ago, I was putting this tree in the ground. It's growing very well. You understand? I'm just on my way to my avocado tree. So I said, I hope you've got trees. Yes, yes, you've got trees. When trees and flowers around your home, it gives a beautiful view. Yes, it attract blessings because when you have a home and there's no tree at home, no, man. I don't think there's a house without a tree or a flower. You see this cloudy weather, it's come cloudy now. Look, there's big trees there. Those two big trees, there was four of them. Only three come out. The youngest one was dead. And these trees are growing very well. They grow. But it's a lot of leaves. When these autumn times are coming and leaves are falling down from the trees. And the other thing is that, yes, it's leaf time. Most every day you must take your broom and broom those leaves up and tail it up. Yes, this is my avocado trees. I've got a young one here, a young avocado tree. There's the other one is 2. There's the other one is 3. It's 4 and 5. And 6 and 7, yeah, 8 and 9. And 10, yes. And other thing is that, yes. Yes, and this is how my tree looks, you understand. Leaves are very, very big. Very big. As I said in the earlier video, when your leaves are big, there's a sign what kind of avocado pear this is. And I love this tree very much. God know I love this tree very much. I love this tree so much. You must love your trees. And what I was realized is that when you are talk to your trees or your flowers, they grow very well. They grow very well. The color is bright. The roots are going very strong, especially when you spread some protectors on it for those fleas and insects who come and bite those leaves here. You understand?